Our due process rights different for students in schools. In today's fast-paced world, understanding the rights of students in schools is more important than ever. With recent discussions surrounding educational policies and student rights, many are asking, are due process rights different for students in schools? If you are curious about how these rights apply in educational settings, you are in the right place. Due process rights are fundamental principles that ensure fairness in legal proceedings. In the context of schools, these rights can differ significantly from those in other environments. In the United States, students have rights protected by the Constitution, but these rights are often balanced against the authority of schools. The 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees due process, which includes the right to notice and a hearing before being deprived of a property interest, such as education. However, the Supreme Court has determined that students' rights are not as extensive as those of adults. One key difference lies in disciplinary proceedings. Schools have their own procedures that may not provide the same level of due process as a court. For example, students might not have the right to an attorney during school disciplinary hearings. Schools must provide some form of notice and a hearing, especially for serious actions like expulsion. Another difference relates to search and seizure. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches. In schools, the standard for what is considered reasonable is lower. Schools can conduct searches based on reasonable suspicion, unlike the probable cause required in non-school settings. Students also have First Amendment rights, but these rights are limited in schools. The Supreme Court has ruled that schools can restrict student speech if it disrupts the educational environment or is deemed inappropriate. Additionally, recent court decisions highlight the tension between parental rights and student rights. Parents have been granted more authority to object to certain school curricula, impacting students' exposure to diverse ideas. While students do have due process rights, these rights are modified to fit the unique environment of schools. Understanding these differences is essential for students and parents navigating the educational system. This knowledge can help ensure that students receive fair treatment while also maintaining the order necessary for effective learning.